Alright, so this is just going to be an unboxing of the EOS R6. Gosh, my hair's a mess. This is just going to be like an unboxing. This is not a review. Would be like what you would get if you just went to the store and picked it up on release day. This is not like what someone gets because they got Canon shipped them a camera for like review. No, this is like what you're going to see when you just go and get it. So, got this on release date. They just literally got this one in. Let's get started. This is the box, EOS R6. Got an R. You can pause this if you want to read any of this stuff. Yeah, so that's that. Make sure there's no serial number on here. Cool. So I'm going to start opening it up. I don't know what the hell this is. Some papers. Yeah, that's not the exciting stuff. This is your manual. No one, you're not going to read that. You get a charger, all right? So you get a nice charging accessory. Let me show this to you. Now, this is a wall charger, so it's not like you can plug into a power bank or in your car. This kind of sucks about this. Yeah, it doesn't have like even a USB input. So, yeah. But you can charge the camera's battery inside the camera, like put the USB inside the camera and then charge it. So, that's one way. You get this new battery. Remember, these are the new batteries that enable it to shoot at, what, the 12 frames per second. Yeah, these are the new ones. They're like $80 each. Kind of expensive. But let me give you a closer look at how that looks. If I take this off, yeah, it's just a battery. Nothing super fancy. Cool. I can't see what you're seeing right now, so I hope this video comes out good. You get a strap. I'm not going to open it because no one gives a shit about a strap. But yeah, it's a strap. And there it is, finally. Which everyone wants to see. The EOS R6 body itself. Here it is. The EOS R6. Let me make sure you can actually see that right. Oh yeah. This is the EOS R6 in all of its glory. Cool. So, yeah, not a review, but I'll just show you a few things. You got the flippy screen. Super cool. You got the dual SD card slot. Make sure you get the right SD cards. You're going to want to get the really, really high performance ones. UHS-2. Dual SD card slot. You have the scroll wheel. Finally, I have it back. I came from the A7R II. And yeah, I just prefer Canon's ergonomics. Then you have the sensor. I don't even like to take this thing off because I don't like to get any. Oh, it's not even shown. So the shutter is down. Perfect. Shutter's down. Great. So now I don't have to be super, super worried about getting dust on my shutter anymore. Yeah, that's it. Let's open up the battery slot. That's how it looks on the inside, you know. That's pretty much it. EOS R6. I am not going to do a review on this because I don't do reviews. I'm just showing it to y'all and how it would look when it gets delivered to you. All right, launch date model, EOS R6. Yeah, let's see if it's any fun. Should go get one.